Yep. Oh, it stalled. Oh, I stalled. Yeah.
Oh my dog, what's up? Where the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame in upon my stomach.
No, I got it on. You just press the top button. Press the top button at the top. It should flash on and say record. Oh my god, dude. This is insane, bro. Oh, the pull on this damn thing. Oh my god. All right, we can turn around. Oh my god, dude. This is insane, bro. Bro, I feel great, man. Dude. Bro, this is insane. Do you got quick shifters on this? Oh, yes. Oh my god, dude. Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm getting one, bro. I'm getting one. Real talk. Yep. Dude, it's like not as bad as that one, dude. Nowhere is bad, dude. Bro. Bro. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, dude. Nothing else feels, oh my god, dude, it's amazing. It's so smooth and comfortable, man. It's crazy. Oh my god, dude. Oh, the shifting is so smooth. So effing smooth, bro. Oh, you want to go that way? Oh, we can do either way. It don't matter. You know what? Let's go. I'll get on the freeway. Go straight. Bro, this is amazing. Oh, bro. Bro. The pull on this damn thing and it's upright, bro. Oh. Yeah, damn traffic. You want to get off? Which one? This one? That's kind of pushing it close. We can get the next one. Bro! When you see the cruise control. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. This is amazing, dude. Oh, you can't get off here. Yeah. Oh. This is amazing. Amazing. Downright amazing. Holy crap, man. Yeah, this feels good, dude. I don't know. Probably because that one was closed and freaking everybody trying to get off. But now I see why you would want to ride this motherfucker all the damn time, bro. Nothing. That's crazy, bro. How it got the power and it's upright. Yeah, I'm most definitely getting one of these. Most definitely. Yeah. All tucked in and shit. Yeah. Yeah. It's still. Yeah. We're gonna turn around. Oh, I'm convinced. I am convinced. No, I'm turning. Thank you. That was nice of him. Yep. Oh, I stalled. Oh, I stalled. Yeah. Oh, bloopers. That's going on YouTube. Ah, this dude here. And of course traffic. Of course this motherfucker here is gonna sit back. Yeah. Oh, the comfortism in this. I don't even know if comfortism is a word. Oh my God, dude. Man, I would never want to get on my bike again if I had this. Yeah, I'm most definitely getting one of these, bro. Like, Lacey will love this. Lacey would never want to stop riding. Oh my God. Huh? Oh yeah. I'm still gonna get this and the Grom. You're gonna have both. I'm still getting that Grom because my plan is once Isaiah get old enough, he can ride the Grom. Oh, cruiser? No. This is what we getting right here. It's good, man. It's like comfy. I'm not hunched over. I'm fucking sitting up, chilling. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. The tuck is not aggressive like it is on that one, but yeah, you can still tuck. Yeah. $696. What? On which one? Oh, are you talking about the one off of Ryan? Okay. All right. Woo! Yeah. From this angle, man, it seemed like you was like a fucking rocket. Yeah. Well, that's why you gotta like learn not to push down on your arm. Just lay your hands and place it on there, and it won't be. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I'm only using what the gods gave me. It's all about humanity.
Y'all come back now. Here.